Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome. My name is Amir. I'm all things beauty and fashion related here on YouTube with a little bit of life content. So today I'm doing a little spice to get ready with me. It's not going to be the typical sit down, do my makeup and chit chat with you guys. I'm going to show a little bit of my makeup as well as showing you guys how I pick out an outfit for an event. So today I'm going to brunch and it's gloomy outside. Like the outfit that I already had planned in my head, it went with warm weather. It's currently 50 something degrees outside in the middle of, what is it, May? Is it May? Yes, it's May because it's Memorial Day weekend. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what my closet is looking like right now. So don't mind the basket and the clothes, just like pretend that's not there. But yeah, this is how I have my closet set up. I recently just redid my bag section, so all my purses up there and then all of my clothes are right here. So let me stop rambling and let's just jump right into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my face first because that takes me the longest to get done. So I already primed my face with the Milk Hydro Grip primer. That one is so hard to say. I don't know what I want to do. I think I want to just do a brown look today, or maybe just do some eyeshadow. I don't know what I want to do with my face today. If I can find the brush that I use, but I'm gonna try to keep it short and simple for today. I want to get something cute, but nothing that's like, well, I'm not even gonna say that's too much because what is too much? But if you want a in-depth video on how I do my face, then I will leave that video up in the cards as well as the description box below. So if you are interested in that, you can watch it after you get done with this video. Okay, so I had to switch over to a voiceover because when I was talking, it was like distracting me and I was listening to the music and I was on a time crunch. So I am just doing my base first. Today I decided to underpaint, so I'm doing my color correcting first and then I'm doing my underpainting, which I will leave everything in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out to see what products that I am using. So if you saw my previous makeup tutorial, which I believe in the card section in the corner of the screen, so make sure you check that video out once you're done with this one. I used the same products in that video and this video, so I think I did more of a breakdown of what I was actually doing. So if you're interested in that, like I said, make sure that you head on over to check that out as well. When I do my makeup, I like to sit and think about what I'm gonna put on. Like I do my makeup first, like I already said earlier, because it takes me the longest to do and it gives me enough time to like think about what I want to wear, what perfume I want to wear, what shoes will go away, what sunshade. I can't even wear sunshades today because it's gloomy outside. So that just like pushed everything to the left. I just want to say that my base is looking pretty good. Pretty good, if I do say so myself. But if you're interested in what products that I use for my face, that's going to be in the description box as well. Once again, my full face video of my routine is already on my channel. I will be doing another updated one for the summertime, because I think the last one that I put up was for, well, was in December, I think. It's time for a new updated face routine for you guys. If you are interested, if you are, then make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below. Oh, and I'm so glad I got my hands on this Laura Mercier powder, because it's really bomb. It just melts right on in without making my face feel dry. It just melts right on in, and it mattifies, which I really do like. This one is in the shade Translucent Honey. I do want to find a overall face powder, because I have one from Maybelline, but it's a little too ashy for me. So, well, it's not ashy, it's just too light, because I've been in the sun a little bit over the past 2 weeks, and I've gotten a tad bit darker, and that's just not working for me anymore. So I need a new one. So I'm on a hunt for an overall face powder that is affordable, so I can let you guys know what it is so you can get your hands on it. Jumping back to the voiceover, so the palette that I used today was my color book in 02 from Makeup Revolution, and I used one of the darker browns and an orange brown for this cute little smoky eye, and then I popped on some pink eyeshadow. This one is from Juvia's Place, and the eyeliner that I used was from LA Girl. It's their Neon Shockwave liner, just to add a pop of color. And I used my Makeup Revolution Roxy palette, blush palette. So make sure you guys get your hands on it, because that blush palette, it works really well on all skin tones. I highly recommend. And then to close out the look, I just did one of my favorite nude lip combos. Alright, boom. So now that the face is done, let's get into this the clothes situation. It's the most difficult part of the day. That was going to be the fit. Actually, I don't think I like that light blue on light blue. Actually, no, yeah, I was going to do that. Alright, so here's the outfit that I intended to wear. This bodysuit from Pretty Little Thing, and then these pants from Missguided from their Restyle collection. It's pretty long for me, which is really nice. I really do like this outfit together. It's giving me spring. So I was gonna wear some gold hoop earrings with a necklace, some rings, bracelets, all the whole nine, and then I was going to style it with my Missguided handbag. This is a cute little dupe for the Christian Dior bag, which this whole outfit would have been a whole vibe with some open toe sandal heels. So unfortunately I can't wear that today because it's 50 something degrees outside and it's cloudy, so we're gonna have to switch it up and make some shakes. So let's hop right into it. Alright, so as you guys saw earlier, I do talk to myself when I'm getting dressed. Talk to myself makes everything make more sense. It helps me break down what I'm looking at and what I'm looking for. So right now I picked up a pair of dark wash carrot shaped pants with this pretty top that I picked up from Missguided. So when I'm getting dressed, I like to start with my pants, then I move to my tops, and if I'm layering after I pick out the top, I see if I can wear a blazer or if I can wear a denim jacket. Today I wanted to wear a blazer, so I'm picking out which ones will fit best with the pants. So as you saw, I picked out a tan blazer and a baby blue blazer with these shoes that I picked up from Missguided, which is a snake print. So I'm asking myself, do I want to wear color? If so, what is the color pattern that I'm looking for? Am I doing neutral colors? Am I doing black? am I doing gray? And if so, what bag am I deciding to wear with it too? Do I want pattern on pattern, or do I want one staple piece that will make the outfit look bomb? So I like to hang my outfit up first, and then as you can see, I hang things up next to it to say to myself, okay, this is cute, but how would this look with it? And of course, things look different while it's on the hanger versus how it looks on your body. So this is how the blazer looks like with this cream bodysuit. Looking back, I did like how they both worked with the jean, because the shoes really did go with that neutral color, and then I tried the yellow and the yellow just wasn't doing it for me. So I took a step back and I tried it with an oversized t-shirt, and it was cute, but it was too relaxed for the setting that I was going to. Okay, so here is the first fit. This bodysuit is from Pretty Little Thing, and then these jeans are from Missguided. They are dark wash with the carrot style cropping on them, so they stop a little bit above my ankle. So I like this fit. I like the color contrast with the nude and the dark wash. However, I need something to make it a little bit more weather appropriate. So that's what I'm having trouble with doing. I need to break it up a little bit, maybe with a belt. No, a brown belt would have worked better with this. This belt was a little bit bigger, like chunkier, then I would definitely wear this, because I'm wearing these shoes from msgd. They're my favorite pair of shoes that I've ever picked up for them. It's snake print, black, white, and gray, and it works really well with this outfit alone. It's just cold outside, so it's not working. There's that. So I'm gonna try with a different shirt to see if it'll work, because I really do like this. It's just cold outside. Let me try with a different jean. Let's see what different jean. I'm gonna put on these asymmetrical pants that I got from Pretty Little Thing to see if they will work better with this bodysuit, so I can throw on a blazer. Okay, so here are the jeans with this. I don't like it. It's too much lightness. It's too light on light. So let's go back to the drawing board. All right, so I think we might have a winner. So I picked up this top from Missguided when I picked up these jeans. So I have the front tucked in to the side. It has some string ruching to the side, which helps tuck it into my pants so it can give it a little bit more flair to the look. And I'm gonna just have it open to the side a little bit, and then have the back just hang out like that. Now for shoes, since it's a lot going on with the top, I'm going to wear these open-toed shoes from Semi London. They are new with some gold reflex in them. Since I'm already wearing gold jewelry, might as well just keep it in the family. And it's neutral enough where I can wear it so I won't stand out too much, and it goes really well with the pastels and the greens in this shirt. So as far as my bag goes, wear this one that I picked up from Shein. This was featured in a Shein haul, one of my recent hauls, so I'll leave that linked in the cards as well and in the description box down below. And so yeah, I think this outfit is complete. I already have my jewelry on, so I picked up this necklace from Aldo, this 1996 from Pretty Little Thing, and these earrings from Pretty Little Thing as well. And I think I'm gonna just have my hair up in a high pony. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have it up. So let me fix that real quick. All right, so here we have our finished outfit. Top is from Missguided for the jeans, Semi for the shoes, bag from Shein. and then my accessories from Pretty Little Thing and Aldo. So I will leave all the clothing items in the description box as well. Hopefully they are still available for you guys so you can get your hands on them. What's a completed outfit without the fragrance? So today's fragrance is from Gucci. This is their Flora Gorgeous Gardenia perfume. Perfect scent for the daytime. Really do love. It smells so good, y'all. Get your hands on them. Get your hands on it. But yeah, this concludes today's video. I will be taking pictures in this outfit so you guys can check it out on my Instagram, which I will definitely leave linked in the description box below. So if you have made it to the end of the video, thank you for staying for my get ready with me, how I style myself edition. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below as well. If you are new, welcome. My name is Amir. I'm all things beauty and fashion related here on YouTube with a little bit of life content. So if you like what you saw today, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to get to see you guys in the next one. Bye.